What's this? Window. Yeah. God. Okay. Animal Crossing. Here we go. I will go there. No. No, it's not Animal Crossing. Today, I'm going to be doing a bit of yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Everybody. What's up, guys? I'm playing a movie. I know. Ain't that cool? God, no. Put anything to? Woohoo! Alright. So we're gonna play. Sword. Oh no. I never should have. What? Oh. Yeah. Took a while. Wow. Wait. Wow. Is it right cover? Haha. That's perfect. What? Haha. No. Probably not that. What? Oh, that's too bad. I didn't get back in, but where is it? That's a bit safer. See that awesome? Over here. This picture's very Julie. You don't play that? No, you don't. I told you it's strange, baby. I can't help you. Work together? What are we talking about? Did I met you? I'm a fairy. Watch out! Oh my gosh! Quick! Let's have a go at table tennis because some easy, some plus there, so I don't need the actual section. So can I play this please? Oh, I'm not very good to get this back. I think it's another 7 video. Oh, man. For the win. What? Oh no. 5-2. Match point. Oh yeah. First up the ball. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna make up. Right here, right now, I'm gonna make up what you should be called. You should be called. Bye. That's what PewDiePie does. He's like, bye. Roll fist. Okay. No, I'm not gonna do that. Bye.